Mosquitoes are just a nuisance to some, but to many they are the potential carriers of extremely dangerous diseases. One that's been making the headlines these days is the Zika virus.
Je vais vous montrer un petit peu plus les détails du vaccin.
That's where a team of researchers from the US and Canada steps in. Quebec City's Université Laval is working with the University of Pennsylvania and some private companies. They've successfully tested a vaccine against Zika on animals. They're now going to try it on humans.
The main goal is really to see how people react to the vaccine, and that's very important because with those data, after that we can move forward and go to a phase 2 and a phase 3 study so that the vaccine can be made available at a wider scale.
Zika is widespread in Brazil, causing all sorts of body aches and fever. It can be passed on from mother to child with potentially devastating effects, including deformations in newborns. Brazilian officials have done their best to wipe out mosquitoes on the eve of the Olympics, but they haven't been entirely successful.
With this one vaccine, we can basically cover everything that we have been able to detect.
The vaccine holds a tiny sample of Zika virus. It's kind of like showing your body's immune system a police wanted poster. Your immune system knows when to strike back if it's ever attacked. Cobanguer says it took less than a year to get to the clinical trial stage. Record time. He gives all credit to his colleagues.
I think it's a fantastic team. I mean, to be able to do all this work in 9 months is phenomenal.
Cobanguer says this phase of clinical trials will take about a year. He can't say when the vaccine might be approved for commercial use. Sean Malley, CBC News, Montreal.